A very pleasant day to all. It is an honor and a privilege to stand before you today as the head boy of this renowned institution. As we come together on this special occasion, I am reminded of the journey that has brought us all together. Today is 5th June 2023. We celebrate the Inception Day, a momentous milestone in the history of our school. We celebrate the Inception Day to reminisce and honor its establishment. It's the day we first set foot within these hallowed halls, eager and filled with hope for the future. It represents the embodiment of our collective aspirations, dreams and ambitions. It's a day that unites us all regardless of our individual backgrounds and experiences as we come together to shape our prosperous and successful future. Johnson Grammar School was established by the Johnson Educational Society in the year 1979. Late Sri S.R.N. Mudiraj Sir, founder chairman of the Johnson Group of Educational Institution, was an eminent educationist, and his commitment made it possible to initiate educational institution par excellence. His passion towards imparting education was aimed towards lifelong learning. He was an epitome of discipline and dedication. His 4 decades of journey in the world of education made him a pioneer among the best institutions in Telangana and beyond. Now, I request Ms. Divya, the head girl, to continue further.
Thank you, Vikrant. Respected Director Sir, Mr. B. Suresh, a young, dynamic and a pragmatic visionary director with his ardent mission to uphold the mast high up and to steer the chairman's inspiration, established Johnson Grammar School, affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi in the year 2008 with an eco-friendly environment presenting a visual panorama. The architectural excellence is to prelude the academic excellence of the institution. Our school is equipped with an adequate infrastructure and experienced faculty in academics, co-curricular activities and sports. Our teachers, with their exceptional teaching and reflective learning, have given us a purpose to reach the next beyond the best. The dream of entering the world of professionalism in any field becomes true by the guidance and support given by the institution. Thank you and a happy Inception Day to all the Johnsonites.